This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch Sports Soccer without the leg strap. It's totally possible to enjoy the game using just one Joy-Con controller. You'll hold it horizontally, using the analog stick for movement. Pressing the SL or SR buttons lets your character dash across the field, giving you quick bursts of speed. It's a fun way to play without needing extra accessories. When it's time to take a shot or make a pass, your Joy-Con becomes your foot. To shoot, simply swing the controller forward, mimicking a kick. A quick, decisive flick will unleash a powerful shot towards the goal. For passing, a gentler swing in the direction of a teammate will send the ball their way. Mastering these swings is key to scoring and assisting. Dribbling is all about precise analog stick movement, guiding the ball as you run. For defense, you can perform a sliding tackle by pressing the ZL or ZR button, aiming to steal the ball from opponents. If an opponent takes an aerial shot, a quick flick of your Joy-Con upwards will make your character jump, potentially blocking the ball. These actions are crucial for both offense and defense. Playing without the leg strap requires a bit of practice, especially with your swing timing. Focus on anticipating your opponent's moves to intercept the ball and gain possession. Remember, communication with your teammates, even if they are AI, can significantly improve your strategic play. With a little dedication, you'll be scoring goals and defending like a pro in no time, all with just one Joy-Con.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.